Be honest. One AI tool is already open in one of your tabs right now, isn't it? And that's exactly why B.Tech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at SFIT is so relevant today. You will train models, work with real data sets, and build intelligent systems through practical projects and hands-on learning. From machine learning and neural networks to computer vision, NLP, data science, you'll explore the technologies powering everything from recommendation systems to AI-generated content. You'll also take part in hackathons, AI projects, and collaborative learning problem-solving experiences that push you apply what you learn in real-world scenarios. That experience can lead you toward roles like AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, computer vision engineer, researcher, and even entrepreneur. AI is changing every industry around us, and you can become part of building what comes next.